Today we're going to be making some scrambled eggs. Now this might not seem like a really hard thing to do. Oh, no, we'll just do a couple. But it's amazing. I learned how to do these properly, I'm sad to say, about 2 years ago. So now, for scrambled eggs you actually have to have butter. So now what I always used to do was I actually always used to mix the milk in with the eggs. But I've found out that this isn't necessarily the best way to do it. And you can kind of add it as you're cooking. Now the other thing too is that I do at home. Sometimes if you like it to taste, you can just put a little bit of grated nutmeg into the eggs. Right, let's get to the stove. Now I have some milk here too, which is, in France they do it with single cream. So it's a very, very, very rich thing. But I'm just going to put it on kind of medium low. I'm going to put some butter in. You can do it with oil, but I think for me, for my taste, I just love the butter. Okay, so I'll just let this get a little bit hot, and then we're going to put in the eggs. Now, I'm going to add the milk in here, about the same amount as we had of eggs. It all depends really how you like your eggs, whether you like your eggs hard or soft. But there's a really good trick that I learnt. I'm just going to get a plate for this. That once you get it, you want it to boil. So once it's a certain kind of wetness, it's got enough heat in the pan to continue cooking. So if you are making breakfast for a lot of people, and it's kind of wet like this, you can put a plate on top, turn the heat off and just leave it, and it won't overcook. But these now are perfect scrambled eggs.